अभी आपका आ रहा है, वो कपड़े बदल के फिर आप लोग सब आ रहे हैं सब।
Look how tall she's grown, all these guys. Eh? Yeah?
Come, Shivaji.
अभी टॉप ऑन कर दो।
This was because
पप्पू पप्पू क्या कर इसको रुक क्या अच्छा
head for the role by having lots of crowds, cells, all this kind of stuff.
Sir, can you help me out with the story idea?
story idea of the film. I think this, you can't call it a normal, usual storyline of a film because this is an unusual subject. This is about,
I mean, what is the subject?
I think subject is about suppressed sexual fantasies and sexual urges in any human being. That's the basic, absolute, stark, one-line gist of the film.
What kind of role are you performing?
I play a father of a daughter, a lonely person, a very top, high-level multinational executive who constantly under severe professional pressure and the pressure builds up at one point and it breaks. It breaks him, brings up the base instinct of which is there, latent or suppressed in any human being, sexual instinct. He is a sort of a pedophile in this film, and how he gets into it, how he gets out of this trauma, is what my character is all about.
The music of the film is quite mild.
Yeah.
Which you want to be common layman.
Yeah.
So how do you feel about the music?
The music is wonderful. It's very nice, absolutely nice, and it should appeal to the younger generation, the younger masses also. The subject might be a bit matured, but I think with the teenage crowd, much more matured than what we think, would love to see this film.
So can you tell me what are your expectations regarding this film?
Regarding the film, it's a wonderful subject. So the people, just as English August was it was welcomed with open arms, I think this should also cause a lot of people to accept it that way.
Yes, sir.
The drum roll.
That disco 70s. Okay, that's her to walk in. But her walk in is nice. Let her walk in. Right? Once she walks in and you get her, right, then you pick her up and you move. Like that. Alright?
Okay, yeah, because I think the trolley will be a little more faster.
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you want me to go faster? Speed was alright.
Speeders, have you asked her to stop and wait there?
No, I'm not. She's going for
That is nice and nice. Like this, you come in there, and the kids are out here that stand black. Please pass. इधर आ जाओ. Sopan, please come. You want to cluster them around, Sopan? Cluster them around. Andre, they should be not single file, just cluster.
उसके साथ लंबा कपड़ा अटैच करो और वो काला कपड़ा ये काले
This way
कपड़े
or
के अंदर
this way?
घुसना चाहिए.
This.
अभी दोनों के बीच में है ना, दोनों के बीच में जो जगह दिख रही है ना वो पूरी करनी चाहिए. तेरे को कैसा करना तेरा लुकआउट है. ऊपर लेके उसको
Our best.
Yeah, let them stand here, doesn't matter if
But
you don't get
not so far, not so close to camera. I'm not getting that face. No, don't need the face. Like, just let it be kind of.
We can do the interview after this. Yeah. Because then I'll change into other outfits. This is better.
अकबर जगह पे जो काला कपड़ा लगा है ना
If you don't mind, I'll
उसको
just
पहले
warm
ऊपर
up
लो
with this.
फिर उसके साथ दूसरा कपड़ा अटैच करके नीचे छोड़ो. आप साइड में आ जाओ. गेट कुछ ढीला होगा ना गाड़ी गिर जाएगी. जिंदगी तबाह बर्बाद हो जाएगी.
But I have. Done over here and nowhere else.
tragic, yeah. Just stop
I
eating
tell
for the
you.
next part.
I know. No, I'm finally on it. I just have to do crunches now. How could we do this to us? Right?
Are you ready? Very nice. Andre, yes, let me see the first frame. Just give me a trolley movement.
It's just that your outfit is cheating outfit starts here.
Off.
Anana, there has been a long gap from your album Chori Chori to your latest Black is Black. Can you?
Well, that's because I've been busy working on these. It's not such a long time actually. It's a few months since then. But I've been working on a couple of projects at the same time, as well as I have been doing a lot of concerts, which is why it's been the time in between.
Can you throw some light on the album Black is Black? What is it about?
It's just the one song I have done for the film Split Wide Open, that's directed by Dave Benegal. It's an English song. It's a remix of a very old popular track, disco hit of the yesteryears. And we have done a new version of it, which Santosh Nair has redone. And that's about it.
What kind of music does it include?
It's a very, very up-tempo dance number, I would suppose, with today's dance, this millennium's.
How do you feel about working with the director, new director, Dave Benegal?
Well, I've worked with a lot of new directors all my career, and Dave Benegal is new to me. I mean, I have not worked with him before, and I have really had a good time. It's a very relaxing atmosphere, and we all are doing our best.
Let's be bring them forward. So far.
Side is coming straight. Do you see my leg pointed straight? This now because of the monkey.
What is your amplification here?
Yeah, this
Is the wider one or the tighter one? This is the tighter one.
Yeah,
Let's do the wider one first.
but is the line coming straight?
Hey, listen, hang on. Okay, one in white, please.
Tighter than the first one.
Title the first and follow a face. Cotton and eyelash.
काका बराबर काका हाँ तो પછી તો
Do this blue and just take a turn and blue. Like just poses.